Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing both car and phone so the connection will be stable. Plug a high-quality OEM USB cable into the Lexus USB port, or ensure the vehicle supports wireless Android Auto and that phone Wi-Fi and Bluetooth are on. Once done, unlock your phone and grant any initial permissions Android Auto requests. This lets the head unit access navigation, messages, and music. Make sure the car is in park and the infotainment is on so the system can detect the phone immediately. Next, you complete the connection and configure key settings. When the phone shows the Android Auto prompt, tap Allow and follow pairing steps if wireless. For wired, watch the infotainment screen, select Android Auto input. Once mirrored, tap the settings gear to set navigation defaults, choose preferred music apps, and enable voice activation with Google Assistant so you can keep hands on the wheel. Make sure Do Not Disturb or Notification Access is set to your preference to avoid interruptions while driving. Finally, you use Android Auto safely and know how to fix common problems. Rely on voice commands for directions, calls, and texts to stay focused, and use the steering wheel controls where available. If the screen won't connect, unplug, try a new USB cable or port, reboot your phone, and restart the car infotainment. Wireless issues often clear by toggling Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. If problems persist, clear Android Auto app cache or remove, and re-add the vehicle in Bluetooth settings to restore a clean pairing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.